Okay, so we're here and we had been wondering what would be fun when we got here. Well, it's actually pretty cool. Take a look and explore with us. They actually do sell food, so if you come down to St. John's Pier, you can get some good snacks if you've taken a long walk like we have. So we've got some coffee, gotta have your coffee in the morning, couple good snacks to have, and Bella's really excited. How excited are you, Bella?
I'm really excited. This is really cool, seeing all this cool stuff. I mean, there's a water park, like, you know, a splash park, and a playground back there. I used to go to splash park when I was little.
Yes, there is. There's a splash park, so it's so cool. For a really small fee, you can actually pay to go enjoy the splash park. And so it's pretty cool. Or I guess if you're a fisherman and you want to fish on the pier, well, you can do that too. So there you go. Pretty awesome over here. And now we're, oh my gosh, look at this. This looks so fun. It looks like they have some kind of a class going on under there. So that's really neat. Looks like they're having a bit of fun dancing over there. It's just, oh, and look at this place, whatever it is, they've got your Starbucks. I spot it. So it looks like there is a great view from the end of the pier, Bella. What do you say? We go check out the pier, the shell seekers, the view, and then head back before, so we can save our towel before the ocean takes it away. See you guys later.
See ya.